Hello everyone, today we'll take a look at the best slow cookers in the market. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I'll try to help you find the right one for your needs. To see the most up-to-date prices and find out more information about these slow cookers, you can check out the links in the description below. Let's get started. Number 1. AllClad Deluxe Slow Cooker with Cast Aluminum Insert. In our tests, this 7-quart slow cooker with a removable aluminum insert made a rich and tender beef stew and cooked chicken soup and pot roast to safe internal temperatures. Though, we did find that, unlike other models in our test, it boiled the broth for chicken soup, which made the meat and vegetables a little overcooked. The digital controls offer settings for slow cooking on low, high/low and high, plus a programmable 20-hour timer. The 5-hour automatic keep warm setting will hold your dish at the ideal serving temperature when cooking is complete. Both the insert and unit have riveted handles, making it easy to carry them together separately. Bonus: you can also use this model for browning, steaming and cooking rice. Take note that the insert isn't dishwasher safe. Reasons to buy: browning, steaming and rice cooking settings. Removable aluminum insert. Reasons to avoid: cooking insert is not dishwasher safe. Number 2. Calphalon Digital Sauté Slow Cooker. The Calphalon Digital Sauté turned out some of the most tender beef in our lab's test. The stew broth was rich and the vegetables held their shape. Our experts were equally impressed with the performance of the non-stick cooking insert, which doubles as a sauté pan. When we used it to brown meat on the stove, it earned top ratings for even heating. Take note that you cannot sauté in the slow cooker like other multi-cookers on the market. You have to sauté on your stovetop with a non-stick cooking insert first. The 5.3-quart cooking pot insert is also oven safe. The dial features settings for low, high and warm. Reasons to buy: great beef stew results in our testing. Cooking insert is oven and cooktop safe. Reasons to avoid: you can sauté only on the stovetop with a removable insert. Number 3. Hamilton Beach 8-quart Slow Cooker. This Hamilton Beach Slow Cooker is the largest slow cooker on our list with an 8-quart capacity. It's especially great for big families or hosting since it can fit an 8-pound whole chicken or a 6-pound roast. If you're looking to feed an even bigger crowd, Hamilton Beach also offers a 10-quart model, though we have not yet tested that version. It's affordable, straightforward to use and easy to clean up. We especially love the keep warm feature to ensure that your food remains at your desired temperature until you're ready to eat. The insert and lid are dishwasher safe. Take note that it does not include a probe, so you'll have to use a meat thermometer to know the temperature of your food. Reasons to buy: great value. Reasons to avoid: very basic features. Number 4. Wolf Gourmet MultiFunction Cooker. With 6 easy-to-use modes including slow cook, Sous, Vide and Sauté/Sear, you'll be ready to take on any recipe with the Wolf Gourmet 7-quart multifunction cooker. A removable stainless steel cookware insert can also be used on your gas, electric or induction cooktop, making this cooker a winner in terms of versatility. You can keep track of internal temperature with the convenient temperature probe. This model produced the most tender roast in our test. Don't worry about cleaning up because the insert and lid are both dishwasher safe, and with a 5-year warranty, Wolf is standing behind its product. Reasons to buy: 5-year warranty. Unique stainless steel insert. Reasons to avoid: pricey. Number 5. Instant Pot Electric Precision Dutch Oven. Instant Brands, maker of the Instant Pot, our best overall pressure cooker, has really rethought the slow cooker. The Instant Electric Precision Dutch Oven uses an enamel cast iron Dutch oven as the cooking vessel. The company states that, when paired with the electric base, the pot delivers 5 functions: braise, slow cook, sear/sauté, manual and food warmer. We were very impressed with the browning capabilities when making beef stew in our tests. Not needing to use a separate pan for searing is a time saver and helps you capture more flavor right in the slow cooker. That additional flavor helped the overall stew, because while the meat was tender, we did note that the liquid didn't reduce, and therefore concentrate in flavor very much. While we tested the Dutch oven only in the base, Instant does say that you can also use it on the stovetop and in the oven. And the classic look makes it easy to bring to the table for serving. Reasons to buy. Excellent test results for browning. Pot is also stovetop and oven safe. Reasons to avoid. Liquids don't reduce as much as they might in an oven. Number 6. Crock-Pot 3-quart round manual slow cooker. Crock-Pot's 3-quart round manual slow cooker is our top pick for small slow cooker. It's perfect for bringing warm queso to a tailgate or making a small beef stew for 2. This slow cooker requires minimal cleanup as the insert is dishwasher safe. Handles on its slow cooker's exterior also allow easy transport. If you are looking for a larger version, the Crock-Pot Cook and Carry is 6 quarts and its lid features 2 secure locks and a large handle, making it ideal for taking on the go to potlucks or tailgates. Reasons to buy. Easy to transport. Perfect for cooking for 2. Reasons to avoid. Minimal features. Number 7. Zojirushi Multicooker. Sajarashis Multicooker is one of the most versatile slow cookers out there. In addition to slow cooking, it can also be used to saute, simmer, steam, cook rice or quinoa and make yogurt. And even on the slow cook setting, you can select from 4 temperature options from 140 deg F to 200 deg F. The 10-inch, 6-quart pot is also a great size for cooking large cuts of meat. It takes a bit of experimentation to figure out which setting is right for your recipe, but once you find the correct temperature, you'll be using this stainless steel cooker for every meal. Reasons to buy. Unique yogurt feature. Large diameter pot is perfect for large cuts of meat. Reasons to avoid. Not dishwasher safe.